Hey guys, Sal with Renu Therapy here. Today I'm going to show you how to drain your Cold Stoic 3.0 using the provided drain pump. The first step you're going to want to do is disconnect your unit. The second step is you're going to want to grab a garden hose and hook it up to the pump. We're going to be using this style pump today. Yours may be a little bit different, but for the video purposes we're going to be using this one. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab your hose and connect it to the top. Make sure you securely fasten it just to avoid any leaks. Then make sure to run your garden hose to whatever point you want to let it drain out to. For video purposes today, we're going to use a bucket. Once you have all your hoses hooked up and you know where you're going to drain it to, the next step is going to be to drop the drain pump all the way to the bottom of the tank. After you've done that, go ahead and plug it in. Now that you have your drain pump plugged in, it's going to take about 15 to 30 minutes to drain. It's important to stay near your tank because if you run the pump dry, it can burn the motor out. You can now hear that the pump is making a different noise. Also, the water stopped flowing out of the hose. So now you can go ahead and unplug it. You're going to notice that there's some residual water left in the tank. It's perfectly fine to leave it, but you can also take a shop vac or some old towels to clean it out. Alright guys, there you have it. You've now drained your Cold Stoic 3.0 unit. Now would be the perfect time to do any maintenance or cleaning before filling it up and plugging it back in. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to visit us at renutherapy.com or give our customer service team a call. Thank you.